ho commercial brevier, Kemie Trogbo, Manana Nyebe Weso Hotel, Ebony Condom, VNC, the Ray Man Beaters, Agbenohevi Bar, Volta Vichas Hotel, Crystal Water, Klebubo, Pedemia Unti, Bewanale Fiatoje, Ajegato, Nya straight. Let's get my sister. Let me get to you, and we can get a views from the judges for the first round. Let's take it over from me.
Thank you very much, Madam Authentic. You are watching this live on Lifestyle TV. You can also pick up your phone and follow us on all social media platforms, Lifestyle TV Ghana on Instagram and on TikTok, and Lifestyle TV on Facebook. And now let's hear from the judges. Hello. How are you feeling?
I'm feeling great.
Can you tell us your thoughts so far on what you've seen?
Oh, so far it's been very interesting. I mean, compared to last year, this year the competition is very keen. Very, very keen. The rhythms from the drums are so alluring. I mean, the songs are so inspiring and so beautiful. For the dances, oh, they are spectacular. So, I mean, for me, it's a very big task for me. So I encourage spectators to vote because it's their votes that will count. So I encourage them to do that. Thank you very much.
Thank you very, very much. And now let's move on to the next judge. She's going to tell us how she feels. I saw her nodding her head at some point, and it was quite interesting to see her do that. Ma'am, can you please tell us your thoughts?
For a Ghanaian, there's no way that you hear a beat and you not move your body. Okay. Madam Bombeta, Ghana to Kaminya besa vukwa automatic yafa body ya move ga ite na koma mo rokinya vuvundo yakangwanya ko anya ko afi nkola all that fear is still. That means I'm all about EG ita niaji sponsors na niakaka competition ama akwanami
Miaiji Aida, the next judge, Aglonami what he thinks. So we're ready to hear from you.
Yeah, thank you. I think so far it's been pretty good. I do not want people to avert their minds to what the moderator said from the beginning about me and where I teach. But I think that it's looking pretty much competitive comparatively to that of last year. However, it is not perhaps what you are saying that we see as judges. This year, I believe, if we are talking about making use of the waste, then I think that there is no way to assess the competition. It looks as if we are seeing a lot of waste being thrown around, and then, but that is not what we are looking for. I can assure you, there are more to it than that. We want to see more of communication between the dancers and the drummers. We want to see them use the spaces available to them. They shouldn't come and make use of the little space in front over there. And however, we want to see correlation between the singing. We want to hear them songs. Some of the teams, we are not hearing the songs very well. So we want to hear them very loud. And we want our viewers, both those watching on television and those here, to be rest assured that when you teach in a class and the class is very bad, it's easy to mark. When the class is also very good, it's also very easy to mark. So there's no problem at all. We will come up with our marks. But the most important is that vote. If you want, we have a very little marks to give. The vote is the most objective one. Ours could be a subjective. However, we are asking you viewers, those of you here, to vote. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Your vote is your power. Tanele nyase fifila. Pick your phone and vote for your favorite Borborbor group. Pick your phone and vote for your favorite Borborbor group. You're watching us live from Lifestyle TV, and you can also pick up your phone and follow us on all our social media platforms, Lifestyle TV Ghana on Instagram and Lifestyle TV on Facebook. Madam Authentic,
My sister.
please take over.
Thank you so much. Hello. Madaku miele wanache yikple the second round. Ta madakuku groups yo mekanage be miele unjo. Miaka yi abaleke mie chegoma nene miaka yi. Eya ta midrado first group second leke mie yikwa. Madakuku kaba ye yimelio. Ka kebe mie yi second round jia the luckiest. Yes. Amade